Steel is an alloy of iron with a small percent of carbon to enhance its strength and friction resistance. In most construction metals, steel is the most widely used. Learn more about steel. You are watching Construction Materials and Testing. Steel is manufactured according to purpose with the content of carbon it contains. The smallest portion of carbon content is about 0.05% to 0.26%, known as low carbon steel or mild steel. They are the most common form of steel as they come at a relative low cost and provide material properties that are acceptable for many applications. They are neither brittle nor ductile, but are malleable. Medium carbon steel contains about 0.29 to 0.54% of carbon. This type of steel balances ductility and strength and have good wear resistance. It is used in forging and for large industrial and automotive components. A higher percentage of carbon at a range of 0.55 to 0.95% makes high carbon steel. They are very strong and are used for springs and high-strength wires or cutting tools. Very high carbon has the ultimate percentage of carbon added at the range of 0.96 to 2.1%. These steels can be tempered to great hardness and are used for specialized products such as knives, axles, or punches. Now, most widely used is alloy steel, which contains one or more other elements to give them specific quantities. Alloy steels contain varying amounts of different metals and materials to specialize their properties. Steel products are produced according to different purposes. Structural steel is used in most cases for vertical columns. It is produced by continuous casting and hot rolling for large structural shapes, plates, and sheet steel. Trusses and decking use cold-formed steel, which are often produced by cold forming of sheet steel into desired shapes. Cold working or cold forming is any metal working process in which metal is shaped below its recrystallization temperature, usually at the ambient temperature near room temperature. Fastening products are small connectors including bolts, nuts, and washers. Reinforcing steel, or what is more termed as rebars, are steel products mostly used in steel reinforcement. So these are the major classifications of steel products, while there are miscellaneous products used for forms. Steel structures usually would require different sections according to their purpose and strength. The commonly used rolled sections are the following. First are angle sections, which would have two sides and form a right angle. They come in equal angles and unequal angles. Equal angles have the two legs of same size or length, and unequal would be different. Similar with angles, T-sections are often used as structural members in the steel roof trusses and also in build-up sections. Channel sections consist of one web and two flanges, used as structural members in steel frame structures. I-sections are also popularly known as beams and rolled steel joists. These are used for floor beams, columns, lintels, and others. Expanded metal are used for reinforcing concrete in foundations, roads, bridges, and others. They are also used for partitions. Square bars are the currently popular section in the grillwork for gates, windows, and others, where the commonly used cross-section vary from 5 mm to 25 mm. Round bars are widely used as reinforcement in concrete structures, grillworks, and others. Flat bars are also preferred in grillworks for gates, windows, etc. Plates are used to connect steel beams, roof trusses, tension members, built-up sections, and other components. Rib bars are used as reinforcement in concrete structures, similar with round bars. More on ribbed and round bars will be discussed in the next video.